Today's topic is structure of pollen grain on microspore. Microspore means परागकण. परागकण आपण सर्वांनी ऑब्झर्व केलेलेच आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिबिस्कस, जास्वंदीमध्ये जस्ट फूल डस्ट केले त्यामधून परागकण बाहेर पडतात. पिवळसर कलरचे जे त्या ठिकाणी कण आहेत तेच म्हणजे परागकण किंवा मायक्रोस्पोर. मायक्रोस्पोर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आपण स्टडी करूया. फर्स्ट, इट इज नॉन मोटाइल, हॅप्लॉइड, युनिसेल्युलर, युनिन्यूक्लिएटेड. Microspore is non-motile, does not show the motility. Haploid, that is, it shows the haploid condition of a chromosome due to the formation of a microspore by meiosis. Diploid microspore mother cell undergoes meiosis and shows the formation of a haploid microspore. Therefore, microspore is haploid. Then unicellular. Unicellular means made up of a single cell. It is just single cell structure. Microspore. Therefore, word unicellular. Then uninucleated. Simple. Uninucleated, the presence of a single nucleus within the cytoplasm. Then, structurally, it shows the vary in shape, size and color. Shape, size and color of a microspore varies species to species. वनस्पतीच्या प्रकारानुसार पोलन ग्रेन परागकणचा शेप, साइज आणि कलर बदलतो. त्यात most of typical pollen grain size varies from 25 to 50 micrometer in diameter. Then actual structure of pollen grain. Structure of a pollen grain covered by the wall known as a sporoderm. What is sporoderm? Wall of a pollen grain known as a sporoderm. The word particular explain the meaning of a particular sporoderm. Sporoderm. Sporo means spore, derma means layer, and outer layer of a microspore known as a sporoderm. The wall of a microspore, that is sporoderm, it is made up of two layers. Two layers, exine and intine. Exine is outer layer of a microspore and intine is inner layer of a microspore. Yeah, first exine बद्दल आपण स्टडी करूया. Exine it is outermost layer of a microspore wall. It is thick and non-biodegradable and made up of the complex substances known as a sporopollenin. Here, important part, the exine made up of a sporopollenin. Sporopollenin नावाच्या घटकाने exine बनलेला आहे. What is sporopollenin? Sporopollenin is complex substance. Due to presence of a sporopollenin, no enzymes, chemicals degraded the exine wall. Here it is therefore non-biodegradable. Sporopollenin present असल्यामुळे पोलन ग्रेन हा फॉसिलच्या स्वरूपात प्रिझर्व केला जाऊ शकतो. Why the pollen grain is preserved in the form of a fossil? Because the pollen grain, it is contain the sporopollenin, and sporopollenin it is non-biodegradable. It does not degrade by any enzymes, chemical. Also, it is resist to the high temperature. Then next part, intine. Intine is inner layer of a microspore. It is comparatively thin and made up of a cellulose. Exine made up of a sporopollenin. Intine made up of a cellulose and pectin. Then here the intine enclose the cytoplasm, and cytoplasm contain the nucleus. The typical structure of a microspore simply non-motile, haploid, unicellular and uninucleated. जेव्हा आपण मॅच्युअर पोलन ग्रेन स्टडी करतो तेव्हा मॅच्युअर पोलन ग्रेन मीन्स actual the pollen grain when it is two cell in stage and it is transferred from the anther to the stigma. Means pollination, परागीभवन ज्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी घडून येते त्यावेळेस पोलन ग्रेन हा कंप्लीट मॅच्युअर समजला जातो आणि मॅच्युअर पोलन ग्रेन म्हणजे पूर्ण वाढ झालेल्या पोलन ग्रेनमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी टू सेल स्टेज आढळते. टू सेल स्टेज pollen grain is consist of two cells. Two cell, large cell known as a vegetative cell and small cell it is generative cell. Mature pollen grain that is two cell stage pollen grain consist of two cells. One cell is large and another cell is small. The larger cell known as a vegetative cell. Larger cell known as a vegetative cell and smaller floating cell known as a generative cell. Smaller cell which is seen floating in condition known as a generative cell. In microspore, the specific characteristics is the presence of a germ pore. Germ pore present in intine or exine. Germ pore is present in intine or exine. Actually, it is present in the exine. What is germ pore? Germ pore, it is thin area present in exine. Thin area present in exine. Here the exine मध्ये काही ठिकाणी गॅप आढळतो. ॲक्च्युअल तो गॅप हा थिन एरिया आहे आणि इतर त्या ठिकाणी एक्झाईनचा कंटिन्यू लेअर हा कंपॅरेटिव्हली थिक आढळतो. हा जो थिन एरिया आहे इट ॲपियर्स ॲज अ पोर. पोर मीन्स छिद्र. अँड फ्रॉम दिस region pollen tube comes out, that is pollen tube germinate, and therefore this pore is known as a germ pore. Always remember specific characteristics of a pollen grain, that is pollen viability. Pollen viability means functional ability of pollen grain, means pollen grain कुठपर्यंत कार्यरत राहू शकतो. means pollination and fertilization मध्ये pollen grain हा भाग घेऊ शकतो. pollen viability particular it is up to 30 minutes in the rice and some cereal crops. Here in rice it is up to 30 minutes, means have ability to pollinate and fertilize. In some members of a family, Solanaceae, Rosaceae, Leguminaceae, it lasts for ever month. Solanaceae example potato, brinjal. Rosaceae example rose plants. Leguminaceae, legume means particular शेंगा येणाऱ्या वनस्पती. Second topic is development of male gametophyte. Male gametophyte structure, the structure which consists of male gametes. Pollen grain with pollen tube with two male gametes, structure known as a male gametophyte. From pollen grain, male gametophyte development takes place. Pollen grain structure आपण आता स्टडी केलेले आहे. Pollen grain is uninucleated, unicellular, covered by two layers, exine, intine, and exine has a thin area known as a germ pore. Here, the development of a male gametophyte takes place in two stages: before pollination in pollen sac and after pollination on the stigma. डेव्हलपमेंट ही दोन वेगवेगळ्या प्लेसमध्ये आणि दोन वेगळ्या इव्हेंट्समध्ये घडून येते. फर्स्ट इव्हेंट बिफोर पॉलिनेशन. पॉलिनेशन मीन्स ट्रान्सफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम अँथर टू स्टिग्मा. फ्लॉवरच्या अँथरमधून परागकण बाहेर पडून फ्लॉवरमधल्याच फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह पार्ट रायनोसियमच्या स्टिग्मावरती पोलन ग्रेन पडतात. बिफोर pollination it is takes place within the pollen sac. In structure of anther, pollen sac present, and within pollen sac pollen grains are present. In pollen sac first development takes place, that is first mitotic division. After first mitotic division, unicellular microspore divided into two cell stage microspore. Two cell stage. First larger cell is vegetative cell and second small cell known as a generative cell. Then after pollination. After pollination means after transfer of a pollen grain from anther to stigma. It takes place on the stigma. स्टिग्मावरती पोलन ग्रेन पडल्यानंतर त्या ठिकाणी जनरेटिव्ह सेल्स पुन्हा विभागली जाते आणि मेल गॅमेटोफाइट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होते. ह्यात द सेकंड सेल डिव्हिजन. सेकंड सेल डिव्हिजन ओनली टेक्स प्लेस इन जनरेटिव्ह सेल. सेकंड मायटोटिक सेल डिव्हिजन टेक्स प्लेस ओनली in generative cell. Generative cell divided into two small cells, and these two small cells known as a male gametes. The two male gametes form within pollen grains or made within the pollen tube. After pollination, pollen grain absorb food from the stigma, and due to the absorption of food, volume of a cytoplasm increases and it creates the pressure on the intine, and due to this pressure intine stretch out. Intine stretch and comes out and to form the pollen tube. And picture the structure: pollen grain with pollen tube consists two male gametes and tube nucleus known as a male gametophyte. Here tube nucleus is the actual vegetative nucleus, cell of a vegetative cell. Tube nucleus is the nucleus of a vegetative cell. The term vegetative cell and generative cell कशा लक्षात ठेवायच्या? जनरेटिव्ह सेल. जनरेट मीन्स फॉर्मेशन. मेल गॅमेटोफाइट मध्ये मेल गॅमेट्स जनरेट करणारे स्पेसिफिक सेल आहे जनरेटिव्ह सेल. अदर व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल जस्ट व्हेजिटेटिव्ह फंक्शन करणारी की जी मेल गॅमेट्स तयार करण्यामध्ये भाग घेत नाही, त्यामुळे दिस टर्म व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल.